This facial serum contains retinol, and I know many people love this ingredient. But it's not just about retinol, but so much more. First, ageLOC Tru Face Peptide Retinol Complex benefits from our core technology, ageLOC, and contains one of our proprietary ageLOC blends that target the sources of the visible sign of skin aging. Then, it also contains a duo of retinol and retinoic acid ester. Thanks to this ingredient complex, you can expect visibly improved appearance of hyperpigmentation and dark spot, as well as improved skin elasticity, skin texture, and overall appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Last but not least, this multitasker serum features an AI-identified peptide. This nature-identical peptide was proven to work synergistically with retinol to improve its effectiveness. But it was also shown to increase the key component for younger and bouncier looking skin. All of this? Yes, and in a little as 1 week. The Peptide Retinol Complex is suitable for all skin type. And yes, I said it, for all skin type. You might have heard that some people do not tolerate retinol well, but this serum was formulated to be gentle and soothing. Still, if you have sensitive skin, it's always a good idea to do a patch test on a small area of your skin before you add it to all desired areas. This serum should be used every night, so only once a day, after you cleanse and tone your skin. Then you can finish with your favorite moisturizer. The reason why we recommend nightly usage is to avoid possible sensitivity that sometimes occurs when using serums that contain retinol. We also recommend that you use a SPF daily and limit sun exposure while you are using this product. You can use Peptide Retinol Complex on your face, neck, even on the décolleté and the back of your hands. These last areas are also exposed to, for instance, sun, and therefore might also show earlier visible signs of skin aging. With our ageLOC Tru Face Peptide Retinol Complex, you have the brilliant option to buy refill cartridges. This way, we save on plastic and you play a little part in the skin sustainability mission. And this is how you can change the cartridge when empty. Take the cap off and unscrew the outer plastic case. Then you unscrew the inner cartridge and replace with a new one. And then close again the outer case and add the cap. This is this cartridge that you can buy whenever you need a refill. Smart, no? Now, onto the results. An 8-week in-house in vivo clinical study where peptide retinol complex was used once nightly found that skin firmness is improved by 20% after just 1 use, skin elasticity is improved by 64% after 8 weeks, and the skin barrier is improved by 38% after 8 weeks. In another third-party, in vivo clinical study, participants used peptide retinol complex nightly for 12 weeks. And here, significant improvements were seen on fine lines and wrinkles, skin lift, skin contour appearance, overall skin appearance, and pore size appearance. All in all, this serum delivers remarkable results. You get several benefits of retinol and even more thanks to the peptide and our ageLOC blend. All of this while keeping your skin at ease. What's not to love, right?